Why is the car rented?
When we have many things, when we have and we have child with them, and we have to travel many destinations along within a particular area and within a particular period of time, and we have to explore the countryside and we have to meet the local people.
Right. When should not a car be rented?
When in case of point to point trips.
Right. Why is a car rental option more suitable for traveling for more than 4 hours?
As we do not know the area and do not know the type of and we do not know the type of road condition, and we do not know the traffic flow.
Right. Which car rental operating companies are global?
Ammo, Avis, Budget, Dollar, European Peer, Hertz, National, Thrifty.
Right. Which car rental companies offer the world's largest car rental network?
Hertz, Budget, Avis.
Right. Which code is used by the booking agent to define the vehicle requested by each customer?
Vehicle matrix code.
Right. How many letters are described by any car?
4-digit combined codes.
Right. Where is the vehicle matrix code is used?
Computer reservation system, global distribution system, and car rental documents.
Right. How can car be equipped according to the specific needs of the customer or in some areas specifically the road conditions?
Child seat, roof luggage carrier, and the winter equipments, along with onboard navigation and the telephone.
Right. When the chauffeur driven vehicle should be used?
In case of high terrain, when left hand drive is given and the traveler does not know the language.
Right. How is the chauffeur driven vehicle useful for business traveler?
As they can discuss things with the travel, or they can prepare for their meetings.
Right. How is the chauffeur driven vehicle useful for leisure travelers?
Leisure traveler can fully relax and can see the scenery outside.
Right. How the chauffeur driven vehicle drivers can help the travelers?
They can play the role of the travel consultant and assistant in case of emergency situations.
Right. Do you have to take insurance separately while renting a car?
Yes.
Right. What do insurance option depend on?
Car rate and itinerary.
Right. How many options the car rating insurance are available?
4.
Right. What are the 4 options for car rating insurance?
Combined damage, theft protection, personal insurance, and liability.
Right. What is collision damage insurance?
It limits the personal liability in case of any damage to the car.
Right. What will be tenant liability without collision damage insurance?
The liability must be equal to the value of the car.
Right. Where is theft protection insurance mandatory?
In Italy and Asian European countries.
Right. What are included in personal insurance?
Personal insurance include the medical insurance and the other belongings of the person.
Right. What does liability insurance include?
Liability insurance limits the